despite my glorified foresight. No one will be talking in time. Once the limit was the sky, now I'm under watchful eye. Until the day your thoughts align and slow down with mine. I'm under surveillance, the path of the poet's ideal. Forever amazed by the way that you spin the wheel. It goes over your head, dear, over your head, over. And I'm in way over my head here, over. And I'm covering up behind the sign. You to share a timeless cure for peace of mind. 'Cause there's far more than meets the eye that I've come to admire. All that you have in your sight when I'm slowly losing mine. While I'm under surveillance, the path to the poet's ideal. Forever amazed by the way that you spin the wheel. It goes over your head, dear, over your head, over. And I'm in way over my head here, over. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it, long to breathe it. But I'm under surveillance, the path to the poet's ideal. Forever amazed by the way that you spin the wheel. It goes over your head, dear, over your head, over. And I'm in way over my head here, over. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it. Oh, and how I long to breathe it, long to breathe it, long to breathe it.